Hello and welcome to this video. I have another unboxing video. It's only couldn't. I don't want to start over. It's only coincidence that I have another unboxing video so close to the other one. This is a box of military surplus snow boots. So we got a new place, and the former owner had military surplus catalogs sent to their house. Apparently had them, I don't know, it's not a subscription if it's a catalog, right? So anyway, I looked through it and I found these and thought, I need snow boots. Maybe these will be good. So actually, you had to buy the liners separately. So these are felted wool. Kind of like them. They're new. So okay, they're tied together. So let me get them apart. So they're canvas, and come on, there we go. So they've got this kind of hard rubber sole, and then the lip that comes around. Then the bottom part laces here, and then it has a zip at the front, and then a tie at the top. So this is the kind of, this is what they are. Extreme cold weather. They're based off of a Mukluk, which I think is Alaskan indigenous style of boot. So there's not much to this unboxing, really. Where's my thing? But I'll put them on and show what they look like. So I'm trying to get the liner in there, and while I'm doing that, I thought to say, when I make these kind of videos, when I make videos that other people might see other than the main people who watch my channel, I always think about what they might think or whatever, and I know it doesn't really matter, but I've gotten like comments about how I dress, or like my nails or something. I have a kind of like a gold, and it's like if I put unboxing military surplus boots on the title, I'm probably going to get a lot of, well, not a lot, but more than normal hits or views from people who are expecting me to just be a dude, you know, like normal bro. I hope you know what I mean by that. Like this coat is like a normal dude coat, but the skirt I'm wearing is not. These nails are not. This ring, normal dude ring. My beard, normal dude ring. My makeup, not. So it's just weird. Like, do you ever think about stuff like that doesn't, like, you know it doesn't matter, but you still think about it? Anyway, I'm gonna go try these on. Okay, this is what they look like. They're cool. I liked how puffy they are. They don't, you know what I mean? Like they're made cheaply, well, inexpensively. The canvas isn't like cheap or anything, but I like how high up it comes, and I like how this part's just a zipper. I probably won't ever put the laces in because they stay on good. They're huge. This was a medium, which was size 9, 8 to 9, and 8 to 10 in men's or something. This is where my toe is, right there. That's like 2 inches too big, but that's kind of what you want, I think. A loose fit so your toes stay warm. There they are. Alright, well, if you had any thoughts about the things I was talking about, leave a comment. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And please consider checking out some of my other videos. Bye!